Improper fractions. An improper algebraic fraction is one whose numerator has degree greater than or equal to the denominator. Let's see an example. X to the power 4 plus 3 divided by x cube plus 7. An example. You see here the numerator has degree 4 and the denominator has degree 3. So numerator has a degree greater than denominator. So it's a improper fraction. Let's see another example. X square plus 4x plus 7 divided by x square plus 3. Here the numerator has degree 2 and the denominator also has degree 2. It's again an improper fraction. So if the numerator has a degree greater than the denominator or equal to the denominator, the corresponding algebraic fraction is a improper fraction. Now you see here x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x cube plus 3. Here the degree of the numerator is 2 and the degree of the denominator is 3. So the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So this is a proper fraction. For a proper fraction, degree of the numerator will be less than the degree of the denominator. For a improper fraction, degree of the numerator will be greater than or equal to the degree of the denominator. If you want to express an improper fraction in the form of partial fraction, we have to first convert it into a mixed fraction. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, we have different methods. One of the methods is algebraic long division. So we will see how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction using algebraic long division. Converting improper fraction into mixed fraction using algebraic long division. This is what we are going to do now. So let's see our first example. The question is, exercise 1C, question number 1 from your textbook. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 divided by x plus 1 is equal to ax square plus bx plus c plus d divided by x plus 1. Find the values of the constants. Find the values of the constants. A, B and C. A, B, C and D. See, we have to find the values of the constants A, B, C and D, and this is the this is the division that we have to do. So let's try for long division method and try to represent it in this form. So x cube plus, I think I have to erase this part, otherwise there won't be enough space. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 divided by x plus 1. So what we can do? We can x cube divided by x. How much is x cube divided by x? It's x square. The biggest degree here dividing by the biggest degree here. X cube divided by x, that's x square. Place it here. Now multiply x square with x. You are getting x cube right just below the x cube term here. Then multiply this x square with 1, that is plus x square, just right below the x square term here. Now we need to subtract x cube minus x cube, 0. 2x square minus x square, 1x square, that is an x square. Now write down these remaining terms down, 3x minus 4. Now the next biggest term here is x. The next term with biggest degree is x square. So x square divided by x. X square divided by x is how much? Just an x. So put that x here plus x. X times x is x square. Write down below the x square. X times 1 is x. Write down below the term with x. Again subtract. X square minus x square is 0. 3x minus x is 2x minus 4. Bring it down. Now the term with the biggest degree here is 2x. So 2x divided by x. 2x divided by x is just a 2. Place that plus 2 here. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 1, 2. Subtract. 2x minus 2x is 0. Minus 4 minus 2. What's coming here? Minus 4 minus 2. That is minus 6. So this is minus 6. Now our division is over. Now you see, this is our quotient. The answer we are getting after division. This is called as our quotient. This x plus 1 with which we are dividing, that is our divisor. This is our remainder, minus 6. Remainder. This is the polynomial that we divided. We divided. Let it be f of x, or let it be the. Now you see, we have to write this in this form. So what we can do? So x cube plus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 divided by x plus 1 is equal to, now place to write everything here. So this is equal to what? Quotient plus. Quotient is how much? X square plus x plus 2. Quotient plus remainder. Remainder divided by divisor. See? Remainder is always written as a fraction with the divisor. So quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. So x cube plus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 divided by x plus 1 is x square plus x plus 2 minus 6 divided by x plus 1. You see, these two are same, because when we, according to the question, when we divide this with this one, this is the answer you are going to get, and when we try to divide, this is the answer we got. So these two must be same. So compare the coefficients. So coefficient of x square here is a. What is with x square? That is coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square here is a. The coefficient of x square here is 1. So a is equal to 1. coefficient of x here is b, coefficient of x here is 1. So b is equal to 1. Now you see, c is a constant, a term without x. So the term without x here is 2. So c is equal to 2. Now you see, d divided by x plus 1 is minus 6 divided by x plus 1. So d is equal to minus 6. We have got all the unknowns. So very easy problem, right?